Hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please endeavor to subscribe. Okay, give this video a thumbs up because when you do, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people. On this channel I teach Igbo language, also culture, and I bring in vlogs from time to time just to make the channel a little bit spicy. Okay, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Igbo question words, of course the English and what it means in Igbo language. And without further ado, let's dive into this video because we have so many other videos to shoot today. Okay, today is shooting day. Okay, so we have onye. Onye is who. Onye is who. Onye who. And we also have onye di ihe ahụ. Who is that? Onye di ihe ahụ. Who is that? Onye di ihe ahụ. Who is that? Okay, we also have onye na who is calling me? Onye na who is calling me? Maybe your phone is ringing. Okay, yeah, maybe your phone is ringing and you just looked on your phone like onye na who is calling me? You know, we usually see that before we pick our call. In a reflex action, we usually say, who is calling me when your phone rings? Okay, so say onye na who is calling me. And we have onye choro ega, who wants to go? Onye choro ega, who wants to go? Onye choro ega, who wants to go? Okay, onye choro ega, who wants to go? Okay, try again. Onye choro ega, who wants to go? And we have another one, gini. Gini is what? Gini what? Gini what? You know, you don't say gini bu aha gi. What is your name? Gini bu aha gi. What is your name? Gini bu aha gi. What is your name? We also have gini ka ị chọrọ. What do you want? Gini ka ị chọrọ. What do you want? Gini ka ị chọrọ. What do you want? We also have gini na eme. What is happening? Gini na eme. What is happening? Gini na eme. What is happening? Okay, we also have kedu nke. Kedu nke. Kedu nke. Kedu nke. Then we have kedu nke ị chọrọ. Which one do you want? Kedu nke ị chọrọ. Which one do you want? Kedu nke ị chọrọ. Which one do you want? Okay, and we have kedu nke dị mma. Which one is good? 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 And we also have kedu nke ị nwere. Which one do you have? Kedu nke ị nwere. Which one do you have? Kedu nke ị nwere. Which one do you have? Kedu nke ị nwere. Which one do you have? Okay, is it difficult? Hell to the no. And we also have ebe. Ebe ka ị nọ. Where are you? Ebe ka ị nọ. Where are you? Ebe ka ị nọ. Where you? Ebe ka ino. Where are you? Ebe ka igara. Where did you go? Ebe ka igara. Where did you go? Ebe ka igara. Where did you go? Okay, I'm gonna be stopping here. Usually I make my videos short. That is because I always want you to feel accomplished when you finish watching my video. Like, I was able to watch one video and I was able to understand. I was able to, get A's or practicalize with whatever that happened in the learnings of that very day. Do you understand? Just to feel kind of fulfilled. But if you want longer videos from me, like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, I'm all in for it, okay? Please, if you've watched to this point, you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up as well. I usually forget to tell you guys to subscribe, even at the middle of the video, because I get carried away. But please just subscribe, okay? I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy New Year, and in fact, a wonderful New Year, wonderful 2023 to all of you. And to all people who subscribe to me, I love you and I love you.